Today we got the DJI Mini 4K finally upgraded drone after 17,000 years. And today we're gonna fly it. Ooh. Damn, this shit is small, bro. Whoa. That's the wires. Scan QR code before first use. There's two types of people in this world. The ones who watch tutorials when they first get an electronic device. And the ones who don't. Guess which one I am. Side here, pretty sure we have wires. Manuals, no sticker. I do get a sticker, look. Extra propellers. I was asking where the joysticks are, but it's in. Damn, this is tiny, man. Oh, nice, look at that. Nice. And I just want to see it, oh yeah. I just want to see it kind of erected, you know what I mean? Oh, yeah, America. And then, look at that. Let's charge the drone. Yeah. You know what happens to the people who don't look at tutorials? They end up looking at tutorials. You want to be safe. Just kidding, okay? Just kidding.
This video will guide you through your first flight with the DJI Mini 2.
All right. We're gonna wait for this to charge. Let's go fly this bitch, bruh. Okay, we're gonna fly a drone. Okay. So we're gonna test out this drone, man. Out the box, it says it has about 28 minutes of flight time. Indigo. We're here in Overpeck County Park. We are allowed to fly a drone here, so you know, there's a football field, a running oval over there, the water where people kayak and stuff. We're gonna get a lot of good scenery and greenery today, so. Here we go. Let's fucking fly this thing, man. Connect to aircraft. Here we go. We're gonna fly for the first time. All right, let's try this. Wow, look at that. We lost signal for a second. I'm not gonna lie, I got so scared. Wow. All right, there's like a circle in the middle of the field. Whoa, what a crazy shot. Ooh, the American flag. Here we go. Wow, this is freaking crazy, dude. No. I tried to get the orbital flag shot. It didn't come out as clean as I wanted to. The winds kind of picked up. But it was a great exercise. And we're done.